Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 36 how to access IGTV on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the application itself called GRIDS. Make sure you're signed in, go to the home page, click on your profile photo, and then go to the right hand top corner where we see the bookmark, the notifications, IGTV, and the direct message. Click on IGTV itself. Once we do that, it takes us to another video panel where we are able to see IGTV videos. This is IGTV on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram. We can see videos, who we are following, what's popular, and the history that we have on our computer of the videos that we have seen on IGTV. In order to make an account for IGTV on Instagram, you will have to do this from a web browser, Safari. That will be for another tutorial, for another playlist. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.